Chapter 3 Matrices Part 9 Transpose of a Matrix. Let A equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 7, 6, minus 2. Then transpose of A is 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, minus 2. Write first row as first column. Then write second row of A as second column. Interchange rows and columns. Then we get A transpose. First row of A is the first column of A dash. Second row of A is the second column of A dash. Let A is a matrix of order m by n. Then the matrix obtained by interchanging its rows and columns is called the transpose of the matrix A and is denoted by A transpose A dash or A transpose. If A equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22, then A transpose is matrix A11, A21, A12, A22. First row becomes first column. Second row of A becomes second column of A dash. If A equal to matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, then A transpose is A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, third row A13, A23, A33. If A equal to matrix 1, 5, 7, then A transpose is column matrix 1, 5, 7. If A is a 2 by 2 matrix, first row 1, 2, second row 9, 7, then A transpose is matrix 1, 9, 2, 7. Write first row as first column, then second row becomes second column. A equal to matrix 1, 9, 5, 2, 7, 0. Then A transpose is first column is 1, 9, 5, second column 2, 7, 0. Properties of transpose of a matrix. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders, first one A transpose equal to A. Second one Ka transpose is K into A transpose. Third one A plus B whole transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. Also we have A minus B whole transpose is A transpose minus B transpose. And fourth one AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Consider A equal to matrix 2, 5, 3, 7. Verify that first one A transpose equal to A. Second one Ka transpose equal to K into A transpose. Now here A is matrix 2, 5, 3, 7. So A transpose first column is 2, 5. Second column 3, 7. Then A transpose first column becomes 2, 3. Second column 5, 7. Now this is equal to E. 2, 5, 3, 7 is A. So A transpose equal to A. Now A is matrix 2, 5, 3, 7. K into A is multiply each element by K. 2K, 5K, 3K, 7K. Now transpose of this Ka is 2K, 5K. First column 2K, 5K. Second column 3K, 7K. Then we can take K outside. So K into matrix 2, 3, 5, 7. Now this 2, 3, 5, 7, matrix 2, 3, 5, 7 is A transpose. So this is equal to K into A transpose. So we have Ka transpose equal to K into A transpose. If A transpose equal to matrix 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1 and B equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, then verify that first one A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. Second one A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Here A transpose is given. So first we have to find A transpose of A transpose. So A equal to A transpose that is transpose of A transpose. So first row becomes first column of its transpose. So first column is 3, 4, second column is minus 1, 2, third column is 0, 1. So A equal to matrix 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 2, 1. Now A plus B equal to matrix A. This is matrix A, this is matrix B. 3 plus minus 1 is 2, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2, 4, 1 plus 3, 4. This is A plus B. Now A plus B transpose is, first column is 2, 1, 1, second column 5, 4, 4. Now A transpose, given matrix A transpose is matrix 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1, and B is matrix minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. So A transpose plus B transpose is A transpose plus transpose of B is minus 1, 2, 1. First column is minus 1, 2, 1. Second column is 1, 2, 3. Now adding these two, 3 plus minus 1, 2, plus 4 plus 1 is 5, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 3, 4. For the matrices A and B, verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose, where A equal to matrix 1, minus 4, 3 and B equal to matrix minus 1, 2, 1. We have to verify that AB transpose equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now AB equal to A is matrix 1, minus 4, 3, B is matrix minus 1, 2, 1. Order of A is 3 by 1, order of B is 1 by 3, so order of AB is 3 by 3. Now here this is the first row consists only one element, so first row into first column, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. First row into second column, 1 into 2 is 2. Then first row into third column, 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, second row into first column, minus 4 into minus 1 is 4. Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. Now take third row into first column, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 1, 3. This is AB, matrix AB. So AB transpose is transpose of this matrix, minus 1, 2, 1 becomes the first column, 4, minus 8, minus 4 is the second column, minus 3, 6, 3 is the third column. This is AB transpose. Now B transpose is matrix minus 1, 2, 1. A transpose equal to 1, minus 4, 3. So B transpose into A transpose is, B transpose into A transpose is minus 1, 2, 1 into matrix 1, minus 4, 3. Now this is a 3 by 1 matrix and second matrix is 1 by 3 matrix. Product is a 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. Now here first row into first column, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 4 is 4. Minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Then take second row. Second row into first column. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 2 into 3 6, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into minus 4 is minus 4, 1 into 3 is 3. So this is B transpose into A transpose. Now we have AB transpose and B transpose A transpose. Comparing these two, we have AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. Now next topic is symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Consider a matrix A, matrix 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. Now transpose of this matrix is matrix 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, 3, 5, 6. First row becomes first column, then write second row as second column, third row as third column. Then we get A transpose. Now comparing these two, we get this matrix is equal to A. That is, in this case, A transpose is equal to E. Such matrices are known as symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. A square matrix is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. In a symmetric matrix, Aij equal to Aj for all I and j. Aij, that is here we have A12 is equal to A21, A13 equal to A31, A23 equal to A32. That is in general Aij equal to Aji. Consider a matrix A equal to matrix ABC, BDE, CE, F. Now transpose is matrix ABC, BDE, CEF. In this case A transpose equal to A, and this A is a symmetric matrix. Now here we have B, in the place A12 we have B, in A21 this place also consists B, C, C, E, E. Now elements are symmetric about main diagonal. So this matrix is said to be symmetric matrix. Now next is skew symmetric matrix. Consider a matrix A equal to matrix 0, 1, 5, minus 1, 0, minus 6, minus 5, 6, 0. Now A transpose is 0, minus 1, minus 5, 1, 0, 6, 5, minus 6, 0. Interchange rows and columns. Write first row as first column, second row as second column, write third row as third column. Now taking a minus sign outside, we get minus matrix 0, 1, 5, minus 1, 0, minus 6, minus 5, 6, 0. So that is equal to minus A. So in this case A transpose equal to minus A. Such matrices are known as skew symmetric matrices. A square matrix A is said to be skew symmetric if A transpose equal to minus A. In a skew symmetric matrix, Aij equal to minus Aji for all I and j. Aij equal to minus Aji for all I and j. Now consider a matrix A equal to matrix 0 AB minus A 0 C minus B minus C 0. A transpose is first row, write it as first column 0 AB, second row is minus A 0 C, third column is minus B minus C 0. Third row becomes third column, second row becomes second column. Okay. Now by taking minus sign outside we get this is equal to minus A. So here A transpose equal to minus A. Now in this case A12 is A, A21 is minus A, A13 is B, A31 is minus B, A23 is C, A32 is minus C. So in general Aij equal to minus Aji, Aij equal to minus Aji, and in the skew symmetric matrices diagonal elements are zeros. Aii equal to minus Aii implies 2 Aii equal to 0, that is Aii equal to 0. Diagonal elements are 0. Elements in the main diagonal of a skew symmetric matrix are 0. A matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric is a zero matrix. If a matrix is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then it is a zero matrix. That is, in the matrix Aij equal to Aji and Aij equal to minus Aji, both conditions satisfies only if it is a zero matrix. Theorem 1. For any square matrix A with real number entries, A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. Proof. Let P equal to A plus A dash, then P transpose equal to A plus A transpose whole transpose. And we know that A plus B transpose is A transpose plus B transpose. We have this result. A plus B transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. So A plus A transpose whole transpose equal to A transpose plus A transpose transpose. That is equal to A transpose plus A transpose transpose is A. So A transpose plus A, and this is equal to A plus A transpose. Matrix addition is commutative. So we can write this as A plus A transpose, and this is equal to P. So we have P transpose equal to P. So P is symmetric. So A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. Now let Q equal to A minus A transpose. Then Q transpose equal to A minus A transpose whole transpose. That's equal to A transpose minus A transpose transpose. A transpose transpose is A. So this is equal to A transpose minus A. Taking minus sign outside, minus of A minus A transpose. That is minus of Q. A minus A transpose is Q. So minus Q. So Q transpose is minus Q. So Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So we have A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Theorem 2. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. Proof. We have A equal to A by 2 plus A by 2. We can write A as A by 2 plus A by 2. Now add A transpose by 2, subtract A transpose by 2. Okay, then combine A and A transpose, these two terms, first and third terms. A by 2 plus A transpose by 2. That is equal to A plus A transpose by 2. Then combine second term and fourth term, we get A minus A transpose by 2. So we can write A as A plus A transpose by 2 plus A minus A transpose by 2, where this A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix and 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. So we can express any matrix as sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. A equal to 1 by 2 A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 A minus A transpose. So A is equal to sum of a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix. If A equal to matrix 2 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 5, minus 1 3 2, then first one find A transpose, second one find A plus A transpose and A minus A transpose. Third one, express A as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. First we have to find A transpose. A equal to matrix 2 minus 3 1, 4 minus 2 5, minus 1 3 2. A transpose is, write first row as first column. Interchange rows and columns. Okay, so we can write first row as first column. First column is 2 minus 3 1. Second column is 4 minus 2 5. Third column is minus 1 3 2. This is A transpose. Now A plus A transpose, write A and A transpose. Add corresponding elements. 2 plus 2 4, minus 3 plus 4 1, 1 plus minus 1 0, 4 plus minus 3 1, minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 4, 5 plus 3 8, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 3 plus 5 8, 2 plus 2 4. A minus A transpose, A minus A transpose. 2 minus 2 0, minus 3 minus 4 minus 7, 1 minus minus 1, 1 plus 1 2. 4 minus minus 3, that is 4 plus 3 7, minus 2 minus minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 0, 5 minus 3 2, minus 1 is minus 2, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 2 minus 2 0. This is A minus A transpose. Now we have A equal to 1 by 2 into A plus A transpose plus 1 by 2 into A minus A transpose. So here write A plus A transpose, then A minus A transpose. and it is equal to matrix 2 1 by 2 0 1 by 2 minus 2 4 0 4 2 plus matrix 0 minus 7 by 2 1 7 by 2 0 1 minus 1 0. This is a symmetric matrix and second one is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, thank you.